What's up, guys? So today is Autocross, second time out here, and I got some explaining to do. Obviously, you can see that that's not my S2000. It's actually my family's Jetta. So here's kind of what happened with the S2000. So I got new tires on it, and I had them in time for this event. But whenever I was changing the tires, as y'all saw in the last video, I found out that my front brake rotors and pads were just like gone. I was gonna order some. I was gonna overnight them. They were supposed to be here by like Friday night, maybe Saturday morning. I was gonna get the car balanced and everything, and have the new brakes put on, but didn't show up on time, and I didn't have a balance for the new wheels and tires. So Frank over at Euroworld really strongly recommended that I don't autocross the car this time. If I did, without an alignment, with crappy brakes, but mainly without the alignment, it would start a bad tread wear pattern on the car. He said it would be like the equivalent of putting like 1,000 miles on the car. And if I were to go back Monday and try to get the car aligned, the tread wear would have already been off, and those tires would have just been shot to shit. I was like, okay, well, I still want to race. Like, after last event, it's so addicting. I mean, it's not so much even like, I'm not even out here to set like a competitive record, obviously. I'm in a base Jetta. It's really just a lot of fun. So I still wanted to come out. My brother came out in his Mark 6 Stage 3 Jetta, and my friend Adam came out in his 320i, but it's basically a 328 because he has a little boost mod on it. See what my mom's base 2015 Volkswagen Jetta can do. Yeah. Also, something cool to note, I just bought a GoPro Hero 5, and they have something called Quick Stories, and I can overlay telemetry. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do for this one. And yeah, it'll be pretty cool. Okay, so we just went through the whole morning announcements and everything. How you feeling?
I'm so stressed.
320, oh dude, look, got the boost mod.
Right, you gotta put it in race mode. Infinite PSI.
Oh my god, it actually says that, that's hilarious. How do you feel about stock GTI?
I have to pee right now.
Wash your car.
I washed the back.
Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah, gas station.
Yeah, you did squeegee that. I guess it's a little clean. Oh my god, that looks...
I was letting it tech, and some guy looked at my car, he's like, haha, you like dick. Russell wrote that. Already got some comments on it.
That's hilarious.
My mean mods.
Alright, so I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro. Hopefully all the telemetry works and everything. See how mom's Jetta goes. Yeah, hopefully I don't flip it or something. Alright, so game's about to go. First run, or first heat. I'm in manual mode, because obviously, Super Jetta needs to be in manual mode. What is sport mode even? There goes Gabe. Here we go. Alright, downshifting first gear. Oh, it doesn't know what to do. Alright, Super Jetta. 61.7, I think. Hopefully I didn't DNF. Alright, we're gonna try something a little different this time around. We're gonna try it in sport mode, because last time the gearbox didn't really know what it wanted to do. Just kept on going back in drive. I doubt sport mode will know what it wants, but we'll see. Alright, here we go. And we're off. Alright, brake in. On the power. Come on. Come on, Super Jetta. Come on. Ooh. Got a little lift up oversteer there. Into this corner, come on. Feel the traction fighting me. This car does not like this. Come on, and that's a wrap. 58.4. All right, so I shaved about 2.4, maybe 2 point, what is that? Nearly 3 seconds. All right, so Super Jetta round 3. Yep. All right, and hard. Let's go. Pull on the gas. Pull on, pull on, pull on. Here and across the line. 57. Oh shit. 57. Just about flat. So we just told us the last run of the day. This is our 4th run. So this is my last run. I got a 57 flat last time, so I got a 57 to beat. I took the slalom really sloppy last time, so I think I can make it up if I nail it. And if I nail it and stay hard on the gas, if I go flat out in the back, I can break that 57 number. Here we go. Kind of sloppy. Brake hard. Turn in. Flat out, flat out, flat out, flat out, flat out. Brake hard. Turn in, turn in, turn in. And hard on the gas, hard on the gas, hard on the gas. Come on, come on, come on. Flat out. Well, what's time gonna be? And across the line. 56.8. All right, so I broke that 57 number, 56.8.